Hey everybody, it's Rebecca, and today I'm bringing you a Dia & Co box unboxing and try on. A lot of you have asked me to go back to sharing my trunk clubs, etc., and unfortunately, a lot of businesses have had to make decisions because of the pandemic, and my thought is Trunk Club made one that simply has ruined their business for me. So Trunk Club no longer, at least last time I checked, had individual stylists that you work with over and over again. Also, Nordstrom in general, which Trunk Club belongs to, has stopped having as many styles up to a 4X. And so every time I go on there, I actually saw Avenue the other day. It's like all Eloquent Avenue places I could shop separately rather than actual Nordstrom brand items. Like I used to be able to get Leith and Halogen, lots of other good brands, and I don't know what happened. I'm guessing it's a result of the pandemic, but who knows? It has messed up the plus size experience for me for now. So anyways, I thought let's try Dia & Co. Dia & Co has a bigger size range. I will say, so Dia & Co, you can now add items to your box before it's sent to you. I think you can add all 5 if you want to. And there's been times before where I picked 3 items to add. I went this time and I only saw 1 item I wanted to add, which made me a little bit nervous. So we'll see if this box is going to be a good one for me. But let's just get into it and unbox it. I love like Dia's denim. And I didn't see any from the brands I normally buy from. I think it's Molly and Isadora. So I don't know what's happening there. I'm hoping it's just a glitch. I'm hoping it's just supply chain issues because I really liked to get that stuff. All right. So as always, comes nicely wrapped in a little burrito. You can see there's some prints. Okay. I'm trying to remember what I asked them to include. I'm trying to find a little note. Whew. Okay. A bag to ship back whatever I decide not to keep. Hi Rebecca, I'm Sabrina and I'll be your stylist for this box. I'm so excited to be sending you this lovable assortment of Dia goodies to steal your heart and space in your closet. Let's peek. I will say, the thing I selected, like this box, I got to notice that this box was going to take longer, and so I don't know if they were out of stuff. For this box, I started with the staple black leggings for you to wear with a printed kimono layered over the cinnamon colored top and finished with mules. Amp up the look with a combo of earrings and a bold lip. Style the leggings with the tie waist blouse and pointed flats or wedge sandals to be the cutest gal at the cookout this summer. Black leggings at a cookout seems very hot. Wear this adorable dress as a swimsuit cover-up or for a lounge day at home. Now, I do like that it's a mix of items. Leggings, dress, tops. Let me know what you think. You can also co-style with me on the Dia shop and add pieces to your wish list. Sabrina. All right, so let's get into it. Now, I had actually used this enough that my box was free this time. Like you get like rewards, and so I used my reward to get a free styling. All right, this must be the leggings from Meri, Skye. They gave them to me in a 5X. First thing I noticed about the leggings is this. I wonder how my underwear will do on a hot day in the summer. They're kind of, well, I think you can tell just by the fabric, me doing that. They're like a lighter, very stretchy, but also kind of shiny fabric. I'm not sure how I feel about that with leggings. I kind of prefer more jersey matte style, but we'll give these a try on and see how comfy they are and what they look like on the body. Black leggings are black leggings. Style-wise, there's nothing new about those. Let me see the price. They are the Linna leggings, and they're $29. All right, this is the next piece. I think this is the kimono. At first, I thought this was animal print, but it's actually a little floral print. I do like the black and white, and I actually have been thinking about getting a kimono. This one is by a Socialite Curve in a 4X, and it retails for $42. And from what I can see, let's see. All right. So kind of that, is this a dolman sleeve when it's like a square? And then lengthwise, oh, I don't know how I feel about this because the length looks like it goes to like bottom of hip. I prefer like a long like duster style kimono, but again, we'll try on and see what we think on the body. The next piece is camo print. I don't normally wear camo print. Now, I will say, I grew up in North Carolina. Camo print was definitely popular here, and it still is. I don't know that I identify with wearing camo print. This is the Alice French Terry dress, I believe. $59. Looks a little short. Looks, again, a little see-through. At least I can see through it. As with everything, we'll see how it looks on. But it has a little tie here at the waist. Now, I do love this color. It feels very fall, but I love this color. All right, so this is a waffle knit short sleeve top. The bottom doesn't have any like knotting or anything, which, LOL, it does. Sometimes you can just guess what the design features are on these things. All right, so there's a little bow there. We'll see how it is. I was about to say, it's refreshing. All right. This piece, oh, that one is Meri, Skye, the Deborah short sleeve waffle knit top, and it's $29. This next piece is a Molly and Isadora Cara tie front top. Now, here's the thing. I'm okay with a tie front top. I like them, but it is a little bit excessive sometimes with these subscription styling boxes. How many of the tops are tie front? Like, you can only have, like, how many tops do I need that tie in the front? Just a question. Not something they need to answer. That's something for me to decide, but I would like some variety. All right, so this one is Molly and Isadora, or I already said this, Cara tie front top. It's $35, and it has this floral print. Are we noticing some repeat trends, boxy sleeves, and the tie is in like the middle section of the top. To me, this is like one of those fabrics that isn't very breathable. It's no stretch fabric. We'll see how I feel in it. But I do appreciate, oh, never mind. It's in a 4X. All right, and this is what I actually asked for. And it's hilariously showing up as $0. Are they actually $0? To be fair, they showed up as $0 whenever I added them. But I figured that they would be corrected. And I don't know that I knew that they would be this big. Now, how do I feel about this? My first instinct is to say jumbo macaroni noodles. However, let's see. How do I feel about them on? Is that cute on? Maybe so. I don't know about the other sizes. If it's $0, I could keep and give whatever I want to my friends. I just have a feeling that, these are not $0. And so how much are they? All right, on, they're better than what they looked like sitting there. So anyways, enough chit chat. You want to see what these look like on? Let's go do that. Welcome to my kitchen. All right, so this is the first look. It has little pockets. Again, the tie waist. The waist is stretchy, even though there's a tie there. The length is a little short on me personally. I feel like if I were to bend over, bad things might happen. I don't think the fit is bad. It's a little short on me. I would maybe consider this in another print, but I don't think I would actually wear the camo print. But it is nice and comfortable and soft. I just think the length would be something that would actually keep me from pulling it to wear. Okay, so now I'm way back here. That's to show you the leggings. So the leggings come up above my belly button, and they're very stretchy and comfortable. They do seem to be good about actually coming in at the ankle. The fabric is a little bit long in the leg on me. I'm only 5'4" and like have a 30-inch inseam, so if you're a little bit taller than me, these will still be fine. They're like wrinkling a little bit on me. I am concerned that potentially see-through. I'm wearing lighter colored underwear today, and I feel like I could see a cast where my underwear was. But they're comfortable, and I don't think they're as shiny as I thought they'd be in person. Let's talk about the top. So the top definitely is something I could wear to work. Because I'm bigger here, I almost wish it was a 5X because this part is tight on my hips. And if I sit it up a little bit where it's more comfortable, it just kind of has this like floppy bit. The bust and sleeves are very comfortable. The neckline's very comfortable. I like the location of the tie. It's a cute little work top. I like the colors. I like the bright like orangey red with the blues of the flower. Does this feel like a piece I like need in my closet? No. But it certainly is cute and well made. Okay, so here's like the chestnut top, and I have to say this top I was going into thinking this might be the piece I'd want to keep, and I'm leaving trying it on thinking it's disappointing. So the little tie is off here to the side. That could be something you like or not. It's just kind of like neither here nor there to me. It's one of those details that kind of make it more than a basic top, but like not something that I find very special just because it's very overdone at this point. The sleeves hit me at an okay place. I do like the color. Here's what I'm not so sure about. Do we see here on the neckline how it's kind of like just a rough hem? There is threading. It's very minor, but this part is just rough cut. I worry it's going to do what this is doing, which is separating and looking very feathered. I'm not sure I like that. It's also a bit see-through. So this one is a no-go, but let me try it on with the kimono because that's what she suggested. Okay, so here's the kimono. As you can see, the sleeves are quite long. Again, I'm 5'4", so my arms aren't the longest arms. It hits bottom of the hip. It's kind of just a straight cut. It's very lightweight. You can do all the things you normally do with the kimono, you know, belt it, wear it loose, etc. I can't say that I think this is doing anything special for me. It's a pretty fabric, and I think if you have stuff in your wardrobe that you think would work well with, because it is a nice like black and white fabric, I think it'll go with a lot of things. I just don't think I want it, and so I'm gonna pass on these. Right now, the only thing I'm potentially keeping is the leggings. I have a lot of black leggings, but the downside of jersey leggings is that they do pill after a while, and so these might be a nice alternative to have. And of course, if I'm worried about see-throughness with my underwear, I can just wear black underwear with it. So that might be the item I keep. That and the free earrings. So even though the items in this bag were only kind of okay to me, Dia & Co is doing some like really interesting stuff right now. One is they're doing swimsuit collaborations and extending the size range for things like Andy Swim and Kitty and something. I'll put it on the screen. I've bought swimsuits from both, and they do fit well. You can also now go on Dia and just shop there versus getting the subscription boxes or the styling boxes. And so, you know, when I said that I wanted to do a styling box, and again, it was free for me to do it this time, I didn't realize there'd be so few options for me to pick to put stuff in my box. So I'm not surprised that like I'm not into it as much, but I definitely am going to keep on shopping at Dia & Co. They have some great brands. They have great size inclusion, and I'm really interested to hear what you think about my box and if you've been shopping at Dia. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.